All right, looks like we have power to the docking station. Right now I'm controlling the AC. Here's the temperature, the settings. And off. Now when it comes to customization and functionality with the buttons, you have 20 different types to choose from. You have park, reverse, drive, left signal, right signal, charge port, mirror fold, battery preheat, dome light, window lock, front open, trunk, rear fan, your hazard, sport mode. You can move the seat backward and forward. You can open your rear passenger window for the driver's side and passenger side, and also open up your passenger front door with these buttons. And you're also going to be able to control the AC, so the fan speed and how cold or hot your interior cabin is. Now to set your custom icons, you're going to rotate the knob to the gear right here and then click the corresponding button you want to change. So let's say if I want to change this one, which is my right blinker, I'll press and hold it. The knob will activate, and let's say I want to change it to my left blinker, and I'm supposed to be able to press it. It'll go back to the gear. That'll now be my left blinker. This one will be for my mirrors. As you can see, they closed. If I click it again, they open. This will be for my dome lights. They turn on, they turn off.